Hello and welcome to another episode where we help you socially distance yourself from coronavirus-related fake news. First up is a message, two in fact, that are going viral that claim that the center is going to assist the public with cash assistance. Now, there are plenty of such messages that have been going around since the lockdown was first imposed, and there really is no end to these messages. They go viral on WhatsApp, they go viral on social media. This one claims that rupees 5,000 is going to be sent to your bank accounts, and another claims rupees 7,500 is being given as cash relief by the central government. Both these messages are fake. The government is not running any cash distribution scheme anywhere. Another news doing the rounds is that of a supposed Prime Minister scholarship scheme. The scheme is fake. The so-called scheme claims that rupees 10,000 will be given to deserving students in this academic year, but this is a completely fake news. Do not fall for it. Another message doing the rounds claims that rupees 5 lakh loans will be given to women for them to start a business. Apparently, this loan is of 0% interest and you can repay it in the next 30 years. This message is absolutely false. There is no such scheme being run by the government of India. A viral claim being made now is that a complete lockdown of the nature we saw back in March is going to be reimposed from June 15th. There is no truth to this viral claim. The central government, no minister has indicated anything towards such a future. In the state of Maharashtra also, such messages are going viral, but this is not true. The Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray over there has said that the restrictions may have to be made more severe if people do not follow social distancing guidelines, and the lockdown may be extended. The kind of lockdown we are seeing now, which is far more relaxed than what was before, this may have to be extended beyond June 30th if the cases in the state do not slow down. But there is no mention anywhere of a complete lockdown of the nature we have witnessed, wherein flight services were suspended, railway services were suspended, and nobody was allowed to step out of their houses. And lastly, there's a prescription doing the rounds on social media which is being attributed to a doctor at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, and this prescription is apparently general treatment for anybody who has COVID-19 like symptoms or the disease itself. Now, do not believe such prescriptions. There are many of such nature that are floating around on the internet. There are many videos of doctors also that are doing the rounds on the internet, but most of them are not verified. Many of these messages are simply fake. If you have flu-like symptoms or COVID-19-like symptoms, you must consult a doctor first, or go to a hospital, consult them on the phones, and only then take any medication. Do not self-medicate in the times of an infectious pandemic. This prescription, apart from these obvious red flags, it also claims that you can take hydroxychloroquine tablets. No, you cannot. This can only be advised by a practicing medical officer. For now, there are many guidelines that ICMR has given as per the use of hydroxychloroquine. It can be used by frontline staff, medical staff in containment zones, asymptomatic medical staff in containment zones can use them. Apart from that, only close contacts of laboratory-confirmed coronavirus patients can use HCQ tablets. This is not recommended for everybody. In fact, general use of it can also be harmful. So stay away from such prescriptions that you find on the internet. Apart from these obvious reasons, what makes this prescription fake is the fact that Sir Ganga Ram Hospital itself has distanced itself from this prescription, and the doctor who's being attributed to by this prescription, one Dr. Raj Kamal Agrawal himself, has said that this prescription is fake and that his signature was forged. That's all this time. Thanks for watching.